meat. This is a make-your-own takeout dinner. It's a Chinese-style barbecue beef and peppers. So we've got our flank steak, super thinly sliced, that we let hang out with some cornstarch and Chinese sherry, Shaoxing, or you can use dry sherry. Let that hang out 15 minutes. Then stir fry it in small batches. Do not crowd your pan. Super high temp oil, super screaming hot pan, and get that caramelization. You want that nice, deep brown, crispy edged color. That's the sugars in the meat being developed fully. Pop the meat out of the pan, add some more oil. To that, your hot and sweet peppers, lots and lots of garlic. And now we're going to turn this into a spicy barbecue flavored background for our beef. To the veg, we're going to add the spicy Sichuan peppercorn, or you can use coarse ground black pepper. Go as little or as heavy as you like on that. I use about a tablespoon, but we like very spicy food. You may want to start with a teaspoon and bump up from there later. Scant palmful of smoky cumin. Yum. I know it's weird, but I'm going to put some Worcestershire in here because it is a barbecue sauce and it's going with beef. Not a traditional Chinese ingredient, but whatever. I'm the boss of this one. A little light brown sugar. Add some sweetness to our spicy sauce. A little tamari or aged soy sauce, a few tablespoons. That's already, if you mix all that together, a great start to a barbecue sauce. But then we're going to just bump it up more. This is Sacha, S-A space C-H-A. Really good Chinese barbecue paste. Or everybody in America can find good old hoisin. If you use Sacha, use 3 tablespoons. If you use hoisin, about 1/4 cup. Throw that in. I'm going to toss this all together for about 2 minutes, then we'll add the beef back right after this. So we have our Chinese-style barbecued beef. The building blocks of the sauce, the spicy Sichuan peppercorn, tamari or aged soy sauce, a little light brown sugar, Worcestershire, which I put into all my barbecue, and then the base vegetables in there, your hot and sweet peppers, yellow or red onion, and then just to bump up the consistency of that barbecue flavor and get that nice sugary background, I add some hoisin, or if you can find it, if you have an Asian market in your community, you can get Sacha. It comes in a tin can, lasts forever, a few tablespoonfuls, goes a long way. It's a barbecue chili paste, delicious. But they both work. The hoisin's nice in there too. And that pepper steak is so good with the sherry. It hangs out in sherry for like 15 minutes. I know. And you know, when you make your own takeout food, you control the salt, the fat, the quality of ingredients. This is filled with tons of vegetables and lean beef. It's colorful. It's easy. I cooked it in literally minutes. The thing that takes the longest, the brown rice. Put a little bed of brown rice or a little nest of brown rice down in your bowl. And then fill her up with that delicious barbecued beef. Oh, God, is that gorgeous. I throw in a ton of scallions at the end. It's just so pretty. It's colorful and delicious. Super fun to entertain with, too. Look at that. How good does that look?